Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Welcome to my digital session, Mechanism of Nucleophilic Aromatic Substitution Reaction is a bimolecular addition-elimination mechanism. Students, today I will be discuss bimolecular mechanism. Yeah, addition elimination mechanism. It is considered the reactions of amines with the chlorobenzenes or nitro substituted chlorobenzenes. Here these reactions take place with the substituted chlorobenzenes readily wears under the similar conditions. So this chlorobenzenes itself in a reactives and the nitro groups are clearly in influence that the rate of the reactions. So in the similarly manners, it was the observed that the electron withdrawing groups such as cyanide, carbonyl and facilitated the substitution reactions. So chlorobenzene react with the CH3NH2 in the excess amount of CH3NH2 and ethyl alcohol at 80 degrees Celsius temperature. It is the no reactions, but CH3 and the para position react with the NO2 groups, and the CH3NO2 in the excess ethyl alcohol and 80 degrees Celsius temperature convert to the product of NHCH3 plus NO2 plus CH3NH2 Cls. So students say that it is the observed of the chemical kinetics of the rate of the reactions are followed by rate is equal to K halogenations plus nucleophiles. So it is the rate of the reaction is dependent upon the concentration of both halogens and nucleophiles at electron withdrawing groups attached to the meta positions. Rate of the SN reactions is unaffected. So if electron attraction groups is present on ortho and para position to the halogens on benzene rings, then they gives nucleophilic substitution more easily. So then this text can be explained by the reactions of para-nitro chlorobenzenes with aqueous NaOH at 400 Kelvin temperatures. In this mechanism are given below. The first steps of nucleophilic attack on the carbon atoms containing halogen and form of carbonium ion. It is because it's stable due to the resonance. So in the second steps, we are the removal of halogen atom for carbon anions in the aromaticity is the re-stabilized in the compound and the product is formation. So this the observations are the suggest in the electron withdrawing groups is the lower and energy of the activations by stabilization, and the negative charge developed as the nucleophile added to the aromatic compound. So one can write the series of the resonating structure for the cyclohexadienyl anions generated after the additions of the nucleophiles to the aromatic system. So finally, loss of the chlorine completed is the substitution process. So the mechanism is parallel to one which we studies of the for the nucleophilic aromatic substitution reactions. So now we discuss nucleophilic aromatic substitution mechanism are given below. CH3NO2 react with a chlorine are removal and bond formation in the more stable resonating structure, and the last step are hydrolysis and convert to the product formations. Okay students. So kinetics of the reactions are kinetic study of a demonstrated. This is the reactions of the second order and first order of the nucleophile, and the first order is the aromatic substrate. So this is the rate of the addition intermediate in the rate determining steps RDS in these reactions. And this is energy profile diagram is rate determining step, and free energy and reaction process coordinator and convert to the reactant convert to the product. So the first reactant convert to the slow step in the transition step, and second step are the two transition steps present and one intermediate present and convert to the product. So First, product react with reactant react with nucleophiles, and first transition state nucleophile is addition, and second transition state are nucleophile is removal. So first addition elimination reaction. Addition meanings are add to nucleophiles, and eliminate are to removal of the another compound. So add of nucleophile and removal of the compound. So the hetero compounds of the carbon halogens of occurs after the RDSD determining step. So energy profile diagrams are given below that can be. So standard order of the reactivity in the other further proof of the arrangement comes to the effect of the this order of the reactivity of halogens is the fluorine is greater than chlorine, is greater than bromine, is greater than iodine, and note is the reverse of this that iodine is greater than Br is greater than Cl is greater than F is based on the their living group's ability. So the order of the chelate suggests the strong bonded dipoles associate with the more electronegativity atoms favor or the addition steps, thus the lowering the energy of activation of the nucleophile addition steps, which is the rate determining steps. So students, in this addition elimination reactions are examples in given below. First in slides, second and third examples is addition elimination reactions of the nucleophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Okay, thank you.